In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use anchored text in TradingView. Anchored text is perfect when you want a note that sticks to a specific spot on your chart, even as you pan and zoom. It's a simple tool, but it keeps your annotations precise and easy to follow. Start by looking at the left-hand pane, which is your drawing toolbar. Find the text icon. It usually looks like a capital T. Right next to it, there's a small caret or triangle. Click that caret to reveal more text-related tools. From the expanded list, choose Anchored Text. This switches your cursor to placement mode so you can drop the text exactly where you want it. Now, move your mouse over the chart to the point you want to reference. Click once to place the anchor. That anchor tells TradingView to keep your note tied to that exact price and time, so the label won't drift as you scroll. Type your message right away, keeping it short and clear, like a quick explanation, a reminder, or a key-level description. Once your text is on the chart, you can edit its appearance to make it easy to read. Look for the small floating toolbar or the settings dialog that appears when the text is selected. Here you can adjust the font, size, and color. Choose a style that contrasts well with your chart background so your note stands out without cluttering the view. You can also toggle the background fill, change the border, and tweak alignment to keep the label tidy. If you want the callout pointer to be more visible, adjust its style so the anchor feels connected to the exact point you marked. If you didn't land the anchor perfectly, just click and drag the label to reposition it. The pointer will follow the anchor so the reference stays precise. For fine-tuning, zoom in before placing your text to make sure you click the exact bar or level you care about. That's all there is to it. Click the caret next to the text icon, choose Anchored Text, place it with your mouse, and customize the look so your notes are clear and consistent. Anchored text helps you build a clean, informative chart that remains readable as you navigate your analysis. And there you go, simple, effective, and ready to use on any chart.